In this video, you'll learn how to fix permission denied errors when using Claude Code on Windows. By following these steps, you will be able to run your commands without encountering access issues. Begin by running Windows Terminal with elevated privileges. To do this, right-click on the Windows Terminal icon in your taskbar or Start menu. From the context menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. This action grants full permissions necessary for installing global packages or modifying folders, which is crucial for the next steps. Next, if you are installing the Claude CLI globally, you will need to use the unsafe perma flag. Type the command pm install -g Claude code unsafe perma =true in the terminal. This command allows npm to write files without running into permission errors, which can often occur during global installations. After that, it is important to check the folder permissions for your project directory. Navigate to your project folder by entering ZDC users, your name's Claude project in the terminal. Once there, right-click on the project folder in File Explorer and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Security tab and ensure that your user account has full control permissions. If not, you will need to adjust these settings to allow writing. If you still encounter permission-denied errors, consider installing the CLI only for your user account. Execute the command nem install Claude code catch-prefix %usr profile %npm. This installs the package in your user directory, avoiding the need for elevated permissions. Next, you will need to add this folder to your system path. Type sets path %user profile %npm %path in the terminal. After executing this command, close and reopen the terminal to apply the changes. Additionally, sometimes security software, like antivirus or Windows Defender, may block scripts from running. To prevent this, you should add your project folder to the Windows Defender exclusions. Open Windows Security, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection, then select Manage Settings. From there, scroll down to Exclusions and choose Add Folder, and select your Claude project folder to ensure that it is not blocked. Finally, test if the permission issues are resolved by running the command Claude write a hello world program in Python in the terminal. If the command successfully prints the code, you have effectively fixed the permission errors. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.